Is that free tea?
No.
How you know?
You said I know
You
you.
keep
It's free tea.
the down.
Come on now. Stop playing. Just say who you are.
Hey, this
It
is
might
Lack.
that
What's
might
up,
be
baby?
you.
Hello, whose channel I'm on?
This Lack channel.
Oh, okay.
What's
So
up?
I'm talking to Black, right? So the other bitches
Uh,
who talking don't got no reason to talk to me, right?
Who they
But
got?
I'm
That's free
right.
talking to
tea.
you, so what you
That's
gonna do
free
about
tea.
it?
Yes, that
What?
It
might
is
be
free
That's
tea
What
with
just
her
you
free
ugly
tea.
doing
ass.
if I'm talking to
You
you,
came
bitch?
up on the
You just
panel
stop her. Just
What
With
like
your
you
that.
gonna
ugly
do
ass.
if I'm
with
talking to
me.
you?
Just give them free tea.
And see, we
What
was
are
gonna
you
let you
gonna do
make
if
it
I'm
with your
talking to
slurring ass
you?
he don't
words.
Like,
talk like that.
what the fuck is he talking about? What are you
so
gonna
who
do
is
if
this?
I'm
What's
talking to
up,
you?
baby?
I came to Black channel. Is this Black
Trying to
channel?
figure out what the fuck you.
You good.
The fuck is wrong with people?
Just talk to me. Just talk to me. What's up, mama?
Gangster Lack from the motherfucking side.
Mm.
Bitch,
Hold on,
shut the fuck up. With your ass.
Hello, Jazz. Go on
I
mute. God
hate
damn
it.
it.
You
Okay,
God damn
know
I
it.
that's
hate
a
it. Okay.
bitch. You ain't getting
All
enough
right,
of
come on.
the
Just okay. Let's go. Let's go. Me and you.
We
Me and
don't
you. Me and
care
you.
about your
Me and you. Me and
bitch.
you. Me and you. What's up, baby?
I hate it.
I know you do. You can't hate when another bitch talk
Jazz,
to a
why is
nigga
you
you
doing?
love. You can't
Come on.
you can
Listen.
stand when another bitch talk to
Focus
a nigga
on
you
me.
love.
Focus on
Shut
me.
your
Focus
ass
on
up,
me.
bitch.
Focus on me. Focus on me. What's
Fuck
up,
these
mama?
hoes. I
No,
don't
but
focus on your
Can
ass.
we
let's talk. I
can
don't
we
want you
drop
to
the
forget
banner
what you
though?
came up here to say. I don't want
You
to forget what you know what I'm saying?
I'm not forgetting shit that I'm saying. I'm talking to the nigga who I came here to talk to.
Let's
Not these
talk.
bitches.